Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends, this is Arif Naim Khan, and in today's video I am going to introduce you about the basic information of flanges. So in this topic I'll try to cover what is flange rating, available flange ratings, the concept of pressure rating, and how to select PT rating for an existing system and as well as for a new piping system. Then I will cover up the calculation for rated flange pressures, materials and standard available for the flanges, types of the flanges and their corresponding gaskets. So what is flange? A flange is a method of connecting pipes or pipe with valves, pipe with pumps and pipe with other equipments to form a piping system. Flanges are usually welded or screwed. Flange joints are made by bolting together two flanges with a gasket between them to provide a seal. It also provides easy access for cleaning, inspection and future modification. As you can see in this picture, we have two pipes connected with the flanges, and these two flanges are welded with the pipe. Then there are bolts, and in between the two flanges there is a gasket. So this gasket is used for the sealing purpose. What is flange rating? Pressure temperature ratings are maximum allowable working gauge pressure in bars unit at a temperature in degrees centigrades, as shown in the table 2-1.1 to 2-3.19 for ASME 16.5. So pressure rating is defined as the maximum allowable pressure that a flange can withstand at a particular temperature. So this is called the pressure rating. The indicated pressure class of 150-300 is the basic rating, and the flange can withstand the higher pressure at a lower temperature. Like at a certain temperature we have a certain pressure bearing capacity of a flange, but flange can bear the more pressure if the temperature will be lower. Secondly, the flange with the higher rating, like we have a 150 rating, we have a 300 rating, we have a 400 rating, we have a 600 rating, we have different ratings for the flanges, and these ratings are based on the pressure bearing capacity of a flange. So flange with a higher rating or class are stronger, thicker and more weight than the flanges with the lower rating class flanges, as they bear more pressure at a particular temperature. Flanges made in different materials shows different pressure temperature performance at the same rating. The term pressure rating, class, pounds are interchangeable. They all refer to some exact concept of pressure and temperature performance of a flange. The two flanges having same size and material but different class rating may not fit together due to different dimensions and number of holes. For example, if I have one flange of 6-inch size having 150 rating and same material, and other flange with same 6-inch size and same material but rating will be 300, we cannot join these two flanges together because the number of holes will be different, the dimension of the two flanges will be different. So we cannot join these two flanges together. With an increase in temperature, pressure withstanding capacity of same material decreases, while with an increase in pressure class rating, pressure capability increases. If I will increase the pressure rating, it means it can bear more pressure at a particular temperature or increasing temperature. So this is the basic concept of a flange rating. With an increase in pressure rating, the number of bolts increases, which increases the bolt area. The increase in bolt area reduces the flange leakage tendency by increasing force and moment carrying capability. So this is the basic concept of a flange rating. Available flange ratings. So as per ASME 16.5 standards, for flanges up to 24-inch size, the available ratings are 150, 300, 400, 600, 900, 1500 and 2500 pounds. Mean these 7 available ratings as per ASME B16.5. But as per ASME B16.47 for a type A flanges, 26 to 60-inch sizes, the available ratings are 150, 300, 400, 600. and for 26 inch size to 48 inch size for 900 rating. Type B flanges. Type B flanges are more compact in size, and they have like less dimensions and lighter weight as compared to type A flanges. Type A flanges are more bigger and having more weight as compared to type B flanges. So for type B flanges, 26 to 60 inch size, available ratings are 75 pounds, 150 pounds, 300 pounds, and for the size 26 to 36 inch for 400, 600 and 900 pounds. Type B flanges are mostly used in offshore because of their compact size and the less weight as compared to type A flanges. For example, if we have two flanges and having same size and the same material, let's say 6 inch size, and the material is ASTM A105, but two different pressure rating. One flange is having 150 class and other one is 300 class. So the lower rated flange, that is 150 class, will be smaller in size and lighter in weight and less stronger as compared to the higher rated flange class of 300. You can see in this picture the 6 inch flange rating, dimensions and weight. You can see as the rating is increasing, the width of the flange is increasing. It means it has more weight and it is more stronger as compared to the lower rating class. What is the term pressure rating? As you can see in this chart, the class 150 flange withstand just 140 psi pressure at a temperature of 600 degree Fahrenheit, as per rating chart in ASME 16.5 or ASME 16.4. This pressure temperature rating chart is same in ASME 16.5 and 16.34. So class 300 now will increase the class 150 to 300, and then will increase the class 300 to 2500, and we'll see how much is the bearing capacity as in term of pressure will be there at a particular temperature. For example, the temperature remains the same 600 degree Fahrenheit. Now the class 300 flange, it can bear the pressure of 570 psi. It is more than the 150 class. For class 2500 flange, the bearing capacity at the same particular temperature of 600 Fahrenheit, it is 4730 psi. It means as the rating increases, the pressure bearing capacity increases. How to select pressure temperature rating? Okay, let's see, we have an existing system, a piping system, and we have to install some valve or some pair of flanges in the existing system. So how we can select the temperature pressure rating of a flange in the existing system? So in the existing system, definitely we know about the pipe material. Let's say we can take as ASTM A106 grade B. Then we know the temperature and pressures for the existing system. Let's assume the design pressure and design temperature. Design temperature is 270 degrees C and design pressure is 13.8 bars. So with these parameters, we'll try to find out the pressure temperature rating of a flange. So the step 1, we have to find out the material group in ASME 16.5 table 1A. So material available for the flange against the existing piping class, that is carbon steel A106 grade B, is ASTM A105. So here you can see in the red markup, the material group is 1.1 and pressure temperature table is 2-1.1. So in this table we have to find out against the material these two things: the material group, what is the material group, and the pressure temperature rating table. So when we know about the material group, that is 1.1, and against this the pressure temperature rating table is 2-1.1, that it means we have to consult this table to find out the rating for the flange. Step 2, determine the required pressure rating based on pressure temperature rating, that is in table 2-1.1. So in table 2-1.1, pressure temperature rating for a group 1.1 material. So each group has certain type of material available. So we have to check in this material group whether our material that we choose for the flange is available or not. So here you can see The ASTM A105 is available in this material group 1.1 and this table 2-1.1. What we have to do now, first of all we have to check the design temperature. Our design temperature is 270 degrees C. So in this table the temperature available is 250 and 300. So we'll choose 300 temperature because 250 is less than our design temperature and 300 we are on a safer side, so we'll choose the higher design temperature, that is 300 degrees centigrade. Against this temperature we have to check the design pressure. Our design pressure is for the existing system 13.8 bars. So under this 150 rating against this 300 temperature we have 10.2 bars, that is less than our design pressure. So let's go to next higher class. So next higher class is 300 pound. So under this, against the temperature 300 degrees centigrade, the pressure is 39.8 bars, which is much higher than our design pressure, our existing system design pressure. So we'll choose the flange rating or flange class of 300. Select a flange rating based on the maximum temperature and pressure in the piping system, either in existing or the new. Then required flange rating is 300 for the above materials and the design conditions. If we know the flange material and we want to determine the flange rating against particular temperature and pressure, we have to follow the same procedure. In this way we can choose the rating, like whether it is 150, 300 or 600. Calculating the rated flange pressures, it is mentioned in Appendix A of ASME B 16.5, the pressure temperature rating for a class 300 and higher, that can be derived from this following formula, that is PT is equal to C1 S1 divided by 8750 PR. So PR is our required pressure actually. The C1 is 10 when S1 is expressed in MPa units, and C1 is equal to 1 when S1 is expressed in PSIs. So PR is the pressure rating class index. For example, for the class 300, PR will be 300. So PT is the rated working pressure either in bars or PSI for a specified material at a particular temperature. So S1 is the selected stresses in MPa or PSI for a specified material at a particular temperature. Then let's say we have the PT of 75 bars. S1 is 135 MPa for a material ASTM A105 at 270 degrees C. C1 is equal to 10 because our stress is in MPa. So the PR as per the calculation 8750 multiplied by 75 divided by 10 into 135, and the answer is 486. So it means our piping class should be higher than 400 piping class. So we have to select the higher piping class, that is 600 for this particular flange. Material standard for the flanges. Flanges are normally made by forging process. In ASME B 16.5, only blind flange and reducing flanges can be fabricated from a weldable quality plates. Material for construction are as follows, like ASTM A105, that is for the carbon steel, ASTM A181, this is for the forged carbon steel materials, and ASTM A182, this is for the stainless steel material, ASTM A350, this is low alloy steel material. So flanges are made as per the following international standards, like the cast iron flanges, it is made normally as per ASME 16.1. For the piping flanges for the size 1.5 inch to 24 inch, this is normally made as per ASME 16.5. Then for the larger diameters like 26 inch to 60 inch sizes, ASME B 16.47, and here we have two different types, type A and type B flanges in the same standard. Then there is another standard DIN EN 1092-1, that is for the forged stainless steel flanges or steel flanges.